All right, another day, another try. Let's see if we can get some Mopelu today. We went yesterday and dropped the one Mopelu that I hooked all day, or I hooked two, but one fell off right in the kayak. That won't fall off. Nope. So I didn't have any bait. There was fish everywhere. So it's kind of hopefully a day of redemption. Oh my god, what do I have? Wow, it's a whole stringer of Vekeula or something. That's crazy. There you go. Well, you can see sun's peeking over Kohala Mountain right now, and I still have 0 baits in the tube. So not a very good start to the day. We still got like another maybe half hour to find bait. So we'll see. Anything can happen. Oh my god, I'm on bait. Please don't fall off. Please don't fall off. Oh my god. Oh, I got bait. Oh god. I was just about to pretty much call it, and this random Mopelu school came out. Oh my god, I got one just on the surface, dude. There's a random school out here.
No freaking way.
Exactly one bait in the tube. So we're gonna try to not fuck this up. Put it on a wire, I guess, since it sucked to get onoed. Just one bait. Oh, bait! Shit, there's the third one on. Yes, 3 stringer. Well, you can see the fish finder, black mirror there. Gonna be flying somewhat blind. I still have navionics on my phone, so I can tell what depth I'm at and stuff, but I just won't be able to see marks. Alright, I got 2 baits out. One's on fluoro, maybe 150 feet back. Wire rigs closer, about 80 feet, maybe 100. And today I'm gonna try a different strat. We're just gonna try and let the fish come to us this time. I've just picked a good spot. Looks pretty promising, good drop off. I'm just gonna kind of camp it out. And that way the baits should live longer and I'll have to use less energy, so we'll see if it works. Oh no. Bro, I think my wire rig just got cut off.
Say that?
My wire rig just went off and cut like immediately. Hopefully just pulled hook, but I think my rig's gone. Oh.
You think maybe it's a shark then?
No, it's a pretty clean cut. I had no Ono school, because look at that. My fluoro rig has also been clipped clean. Oh boy, that's rough. Get another wire rig on pretty quick here, because there are, I think, Ono around, just clipping baits off left and right. Let's just do a quick little Albright knot. 6 wraps, that'll do it. Back through the eye and pull it tight. Okay. on something. What the heck? What's going on? Whoa. Okay. Not sure what's going on here, but something ate. Something ate my bait finally. Okay, he's figuring out he's hooked now. Oh, it's a really not bouncy rod. I don't know. This could be a shark. Definitely gonna take it easy. Whoa. Wow, okay. That was a nice run. That was a very nice run. Please don't be a shark. Oh no. No. I think that's a barracuda. Oh my god. No. Oh. Yeah, it's just a dozer I'm talking to again. Size of this cockatoo though. He's a fat one. He's a Pelu mama. There you go. At least I got to fight something, I guess. Dang it. Too bad that was my last bait. That's a little bit of a bummer, not gonna lie. Because that was my last live bait. But luckily I still have this one fresh dead one. Just for some reason died in my tube, even though it was hooked fine. No, not in the, it didn't bust its lip or anything. Sometimes they just give up. So what I'm gonna do is use this little chin weighted dead bait rig that I made at home. You can see here there's a little egg lead 2 ounce that I pinched on there. So this should make the bait swim very nicely. Just hook it lightly through the lips. That. And then put the stinger maybe in the back. Yeah. Let's take a look at how that swims. I tried it out yesterday and it looked really good with even just a frozen stinky dead one. So let's see. Oh, that just looks really good. See if we can get some speed. Yeah, I think that is about as good as you can get without having a live bait. Just to try and get anything, some action here, I'm going to drop this jig down. I've caught rainbow runner on this before, so maybe make the same thing happen. Let's try it. Alright, I'm on the bottom. I think I'm on the bottom anyway. Let's see. Still sinking. Yep, that's the bottom. Here we go. Been a while since I did this. Big marks, huh? Oh, there we go. On. Oh, yeah. That's on the jig. Get him off the bottom. Yeah. Probably a kahala. Yeah, especially you said you saw marks, yeah?
Yeah, big one.
Okay, well it's probably one of them. Though I love the jig bite. It's so cool. Yeah, he's coming.
You know it's like hooked up as best as you can make it.
Oh yeah. It's usually right in the jaw. I'll keep the gaff handy just in case. Something worth keeping. I'm trying to let it like let some bubbles out. Of course. Oh, he's floating. He's coming up right there.
Yeah, I see them.
All right, let's see what have we got. Oh, it's a pretty good Omilu actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh wow, that's nice. Bro, I might actually keep this one. Nothing else in the bag. Might as well keep something.
I know, right? I'm almost contemplating dropping a jig and taking that to port.
Dude, I mean, yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna take this guy home. Wow, yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, perfect size.
Yeah. Make some katsu or something with this guy.
Yeah.
Nice. There he goes. I just first drop with this 120 gram jig para, slow fall. Nice chunky Omilu, maybe a 12 to 15 pounder. I don't keep these often, but I think today, since I don't have anything else in the bag, I think I'll take this one home. It'll definitely make quite a few good meals. Oh shoot, Louis hooked up to a mahi on a popper over there. Keep it on, keep it on.
Oh, there we go. Woo! Yes, oh shit, it came off. Oh, there we go, right there, right there. Woo! Oh. Oh. Keep it on. Holy crap. Whoa. Shit. Light drag, light. Oh! Damn it. Oh, he broke the hook. Holy.
Ah! Oh shoot. Okay, gave it an honest try today. Just wasn't in the cards this weekend, but got some other fish at least, got some action. Didn't skunk,